Hello my lovelies. On today's episode, I'll be sharing a hack of beetroot water. Yes, for those of y'all who love eating beetroot and who have them once in a while, also this hack is going to come in use. We all know the most common way of cooking beetroot is by boiling it in water. And thereafter, once it's cooked, what do? You throw away that reddish water which remains. So this reddish water which remains, I'm going to show you exactly what can it be made use of without just draining it away. Also, on this episode I'll be sharing something very informative and useful for y'all, so ensure that y'all stay till the end of this video. Want to add a temporary color to your boring white t-shirt, so you can use beetroot water. What you'll do is pinch the middle of your t-shirt and keep turning it in a form of a swirl. It should look something like this. Then secure this swirl with rubber bands vertically, horizontally, and likewise you will add them sideways. So this is the process in which I am adding the rubber bands one by one. It should look something like this. Then keep it in a vessel or a tray which will not get stained with beetroot water. Now here what I'm going to do is the beetroot water that I have, with the help of a spoon, I will start adding it on the sides that I require, the areas that I require. Y'all can do it in any way. Try leaving a little white space in between. And if y'all want an idea for craft time with kids, this is a beautiful one. If you're looking for permanent color, I will attach link in the description box where y'all can enjoy doing craft with your kids and even keep these kind of t-shirts as a memory for the future, where y'all can know the time and moments y'all have spent together. So this will go away once it's washed. This is a glimpse of the t-shirt, how it looked after adding beetroot water, and trust me, my daughter loved it. Y'all will also enjoy doing something like this. In our next hack, we'll be using beetroot water to color the rice. It gets boring having white rice on a daily basis. So what y'all can do is y'all can add beetroot water on top of the rice after cooking, or whilst boiling itself y'all can add the water, but this will give you a lighter color and then you'll have a nice red colored rice. Now the last hack. Most of us use henna for hair. So in case if you need a burgundy shade of hair color, what y'all can do is y'all can mix a beetroot water with henna powder and apply this on your hair and leave it for a few hours. Thereafter, you'll be flaunting with burgundy hair color. I'm sure after watching these videos, you all must have come to the conclusion that the leftover water after boiling beetroot can be used in so many ways. Do let me know what are y'all planning to try out, and once y'all try out, how is it going to be? Please do leave in your comments. As mentioned earlier, I'll be sharing a link of Blogaberry in the description box. This link, and there are many other such posts that you can find on this website, which will give you useful tips on fitness and healthy lifestyle. For those of y'all who are new visitors to my channel, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get notified each and every time I post a video. That's all on How Hacks. If y'all have any comments or suggestions, please do feel free to send us an email, or y'all can even leave us a comment. I'll see you next time. Bye from How Hacks.